Hello friends, I am Mr. Talekar sir. How are you? Are you okay now? Friends, today we are going to focus on the warming up section of class 10th poem 1.3 Basketful of Moonlight. Let's see chit chat. But what's the chit chat? In chit chat, some questions or points are given. Students have to discuss or speak about such questions in the class. Those questions are as open-ended type. So, various types of answers can be given. Students give the answers of such questions on the basis of their previous knowledge. दिलेल्या प्रश्नावर किंवा मुद्द्यावर चर्चा करून विद्यार्थी आपल्या पूर्वज्ञानावर आधारित असणाऱ्या या प्रश्नांची उत्तरे देतात. सर्व मुलांची उत्तरे वेगवेगळी असू शकतात कारण हे प्रश्न स्वमतावर आधारित असतात. सो वी हॅव टू ॲक्सेप्ट दॅम. दोज क्वेश्चन्स आर useful to increase students' thinking power as well as speaking dare. Let's see the questions given in the chit chat. The first question is, did you like to hear bedtime stories when you were a child? The answer of such a question is yes. I was very interested to hear the bedtime stories. The stories such as Aesop's Fables, Vikram Vetal, Panchatantra, fairy tales, Akbar and Birbal, kings and queens, etc. Second question, who usually told you the bedtime stories? Mostly my grandmother or grandpa used to tell me the stories. Third question is, why did you like them? I liked them because they were very interesting. They used to take me into the imaginary and a fairy world. Next question, do you still like to hear such type of stories again? Yes, sure. They have everlasting excitement and attraction. Nowadays too, they attract me a lot. Next activity of warming up is discuss in groups about the procedure of planting a tree. Write the steps in bullet points and present it before the class. In such an activity, students have to write some of the bullet points, such as select the proper spaces for your location, dig the hole, fill the empty hole with water, prune the tree only if necessary, set it in the hole, remove bags, gently fill the hole with some rich soil. Mulching is also essential. Mulching keeps soil temperature fairly watered for the plant. Those are the bullet points. Students have to present them before the class. Next activity, discuss in pairs and write what your father and mother do for your family. Father works hard to earn a living. He takes most of the decisions for the well-being of the family. He is the role model of the whole family members. He decides the ways of children's life or their careers. He always guides them to solve the problems. He performs duties as the head of the family. Mother looks after children's education or their career. She wakes early in the morning and keeps the house clean. She cooks food and feeds the family. She takes utmost care of all the children and family. She keeps the outer area of house clean. She brings up children with love and compassion. She sometimes takes a job to meet the expenses. Friends, what do you understand from this warming up section? I think you must have understood that today we are going to learn something that contains the issues of bedtime stories, planting, and role of our parents in our life. Yes, we are going to highlight on such type of issues. Now listen the poem Basketful of Moonlight. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two baskets full, with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small, small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back, as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark road so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Let's see the summary of Basketful of Moonlight. By hearing or reading the title of poem, so many questions arose before us, such as, can we gather the moonlight? Can we fill the basket with moonlight? How amazing, na? So try to understand what is in the poem through the summary. This is an English translation of a Dogri language poem. Dogri, the language, is spoken in Jammu and Kashmir. This is the free verse poem written by Sunil Sharma, a well-known poet. In this poem, a small boy in a village wants his father return early and safely from the city, where he always used to go to earn his livings. The boy wants to listen the bedtime stories from his father as the other children, but the father of the boy leaves the home early in the morning when the boy is in sleep, and returns late at night when the boy is asleep. So, The boy in this poem requests the moon to give him a basketful or 2 baskets full of moonlight seeds to sow them along the dark path, which is full of snakes and scorpions. He wants to sow the seeds of moonlight to enlighten the dark path. For the villagers, especially for his father, to return early and tell him bedtime stories. मित्र हो, या कवितेतील मुलाला इतर मुलांप्रमाणे आपल्या वडिलांकडून बेड टाईम स्टोरीज ऐकायच्यात. परंतु त्याचे वडील तो झोपेत असतानाच शहराकडे कामासाठी निघून जातात आणि खूप उशिरा घरी येतात, जेव्हा तो मुलगा झोपी गेलेला असतो. त्या गावापासून शहराला जाणारा रस्ता हा अंधारमय आहे. साप विंचू असणारा असा तो रस्ता आहे. गावातील सर्व लोकांना तशाच रस्त्याने आपल्या नियमित कामासाठी शहराला जावे लागते, यावे लागते. म्हणून हा मुलगा चंद्राला विनंती करतो, हे चंद्रा, मला एक बास्केट भरून किंवा 2 बास्केट भरून चंद्रप्रकाशाच्या सीड्स दे. मला त्यांना शहरावरून येणाऱ्या रस्त्याच्या कडेला प्लांट करायच्यात, जेणेकरून रस्त्याला प्रकाश होईल व माझे वडील लवकर घरी येतील आणि मला बेड टाईम स्टोरीज सांगतील. त्यांचे जीवनही सुखकारक होईल आणि मला हे बेड टाईम स्टोरीज ऐकायला मिळतील इतर मुलांप्रमाणे.